Using artificial intelligence to plan an investment portfolio is far more dangerous than most people realize. The danger does not come from obvious errors alone, but from polished, confident language that creates the illusion of certainty without accountability or consequence. I recently put my own portfolio through an artificial intelligence review process using two widely respected systems. I used ChatGPT version 5.2 and Perplexity Pro, providing identical portfolio data and asking the same analytical questions in both cases. What came back was not clarity or convergence of thought, but inconsistency masked as intelligence. The conclusions were often different, sometimes contradictory, and frequently unsupported by any stable investment logic that could survive scrutiny over time. This was not an academic experiment or a hypothetical portfolio exercise. These were real holdings, real capital, and real decisions that affect long-term financial outcomes. Which is exactly why the results were so revealing and frankly unsettling. The first major flaw became obvious almost immediately. Artificial intelligence does not possess conviction or continuity of thought across time. It may sound consistent in a single response, but it has no memory of intellectual responsibility for what it said earlier. I observed stocks being categorized as stable holdings in one response and flagged for exit just a few prompts later. There was no meaningful change in data, no new information, and no deterioration in fundamentals that justified such a reversal. When challenged, artificial intelligence produced a fresh narrative that sounded intelligent but lacked any connection to its previous stance. This is not analytical evolution. It is narrative regeneration without responsibility. Investing, however, demands continuity of reasoning. Human investors remember why a stock was bought, what risks were accepted, and what time horizon was committed. Artificial intelligence remembers none of this context in a meaningful way. The second issue was even more concerning. Some of my strongest long-term performers were marked for exit. These were not speculative bets or weak businesses, but established companies with proven compounding ability and durable competitive advantages. Artificial intelligence tends to treat high valuation as a defect rather than as a signal of quality. It reacts aggressively to temporary margin pressure and short-term earnings softness, even when the long-term business model remains intact. Great companies almost always appear expensive to those who focus narrowly on valuation metrics. That premium is not accidental. It reflects execution, dominance, and resilience that weaker companies never achieve. Artificial intelligence struggles deeply with the concept of time in investing. It compresses long-term business journeys into short reporting windows and fails to distinguish between cyclical noise and structural damage. To a machine, a temporary slowdown and a permanent decline often look dangerously similar. A human investor knows the difference because experience teaches patience and pattern recognition. The third flaw is structural and cannot be trained away. Artificial intelligence is inherently conservative. It is designed to minimize risk, avoid blame, and choose balance over conviction. That mindset may be suitable for compliance systems or credit evaluation, but it is fundamentally misaligned with equity investing. Stocks are not meant to be safe. They are meant to deliver asymmetric returns. Wealth in equity markets is created by a small number of exceptional winners, not by widespread mediocrity. Artificial intelligence consistently underweights this reality because volatility makes it uncomfortable. Machines optimize for survival. Investors must optimize for outperformance. Those objectives are not the same, and confusing them can permanently damage portfolio results. Now comes the critical distinction that most investors miss. Artificial intelligence is not useless. It is simply being used in the wrong role. Artificial intelligence should never be treated as a portfolio manager or a final decision maker. Its true strength lies in expanding thinking, not enforcing decisions. When used properly, artificial intelligence is excellent at identifying emerging sectoral shifts and long-term thematic trends. It can connect macroeconomic forces faster than most individuals and highlight second-order effects worth exploring. It can help investors visualize where capital may flow over the next several years and which industries may benefit from policy, technology, or geopolitical shifts. However, that is where its role must end. The final act of investing must remain human. Stock selection requires judgment that understands nuance. Position sizing requires emotional control. Holding through volatility requires conviction built from experience, not pattern prediction. The correct framework is a hybrid one. Artificial intelligence widens the canvas and challenges assumptions. Human intelligence applies discipline, valuation logic, and risk management. Ask artificial intelligence to show you possible futures. Then use your own tools, wisdom, and temperament to decide how to participate in them. This experiment did not give me perfect answers. It gave me better questions. That alone made it valuable. Used blindly, artificial intelligence can quietly sabotage a portfolio with overconfidence and inconsistency. Used wisely, it can sharpen thinking without replacing judgment. Artificial intelligence is a first draft assistant, not a final authority. The moment you forget that, you surrender control of your capital to a system that does not feel loss, patience, or regret. Markets are ruthless to such mistakes. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you think more clearly and act more deliberately, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with one serious investor.